Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to share with you how these DOOROOM Windproof door stoppers are a equally practical and beautiful way to keep your interior doors open. In our home, we do get some strong gusts of wind down our hallway, and this can cause our bedroom doors to be slammed shut. Not only is a slam door an annoying sound, it also worried us that over time it could cause damage to our doors or walls. And honestly, I do really love how the stopper looks. Previously, we just used rubber stoppers, and while they worked really great, they really didn't match our style. And from time to time, our dog thought that it was her chew toy and she would just walk away with it. Since we've added this metal matte black stopper to our door, it blends really nicely with the color and aesthetic, and it feels like an instant upgrade. The installation of the set was pretty easy. We chose the 3M adhesive because we thought it'd be a little less invasive than screws, and since it was installed, it's holding up pretty well. So if you're looking for a both beautiful, practical, and affordable way to keep your interior doors propped open, you're going to love these DOOROOM door stoppers as much as we do. And that's my point of view.